Hey sis, let's talk because if you're like me, you've seen all the videos, you read all the posts, you maybe even bought a few courses, and passive income was supposed to be easy, right? But nobody told us the truth about what it takes to actually set it up. So today, I'm sharing the biggest myths I believed about passive income and what finally helped me to build real income without the hustle. Let's shift some mindsets, clear some confusion, and give you a soft life strategy that actually works. And yes, okay, I am going to share how I'm using Digital Profits U to build income with ease and how you can too. All right, let's start with the first myth. Passive income means doing nothing. Sis, no. Okay. Passive income isn't magic. It's just delayed work with future payoff. Okay. Let me say that again. It's just delayed work with future payoff. There's a setup season, sometimes a short one, sometimes it's longer, but the key is set it up once, then let it sell for you later. When I got this revelation, I stopped trying to do it all and I started focusing on smart systems. That's when I found Digital Profits U. It's a full business already set up, just waiting for me to plug in and profit. There's no tech headaches, no long build up, just start and start serving. Okay. Another lie I believe is that you need a huge following to make money online. And let me be honest, I don't have a millions of followers, okay? But what I do have is clarity. Because when your message is clear, your offer is solid, like a done for you digital product or a resellable course, you can start selling with just 10, 20, or even 50 people. Since being a part of Digital Profits U, it really taught me how to build with what I already have. It's not about clout, okay? It's about the connection that I have with you. Let me tell you what changed it all. I used to try to create everything from scratch. If you like doing that, that's on you. Like every ebook, every funnel, every system. And your girl was tired. Okay. One night I was sitting in bed with my laptop trying to fix an automation for the 10th time. Okay. And I whispered, God, there has to be an easier way. Like, can I this easier? And that's when he led me to this idea. What if the answer wasn't more effort? What if it was more alignment? That's when I said yes to Digital Profits U. I didn't need to build another business. Just needed to plug into one that was already working. Okay. I don't have to do a lot of research. It's selling. I don't have to create. Like, this is just go for me. It was goals for me. Next myth, you don't have to do what everyone else is doing to win online. No, ma'am. You do not. Okay. Now, you can sell whatever you want in your voice, your values, your way, with peace, with purpose, with grace. When I say these things, it always points back to your belief. It always points back to not what people say, oh, this works and this works. Everything works. Okay. Everything works. Everything that you think of right now, it's going to work, but will you work it? Okay. Not only will you work it, will you have the belief behind what you are working? Okay. So when I do these videos, it's not to say, well, you got to do X, Y, and Z. More so, I'm telling you that everything that I do is backed by belief. I believe that all I have to do is create content on YouTube and I can make $100,000 this year. That's my first time actually saying it out loud. I mean, I've written it down, but saying it out loud, that hit different. This is what I really love about DPU is that you're not pretending to be a guru. Now, there's some things that I know, but yeah, no, you don't have to pretend. You don't have to be somebody that you're not. You don't have to be this over the top expert in order to make the money that you want to make online. Really, it's being yourself. It's sharing your journey. Okay. It's sharing where you are and being truthful about that. But not only being truthful about that, you got to love where you are. You got to love your life right now, even if it's not perfect. My life is not perfect. If I can tell you the things that life be lifing, but I still show up for you. But I know that even right now, I love my life. I genuinely love my life right now. It's not where I want to be at all times, but I love it because now when I get to the next level, I'm going to love that even more too. With DPU, you are learning real skills like email marketing, content creation, automation, and you're earning as you go. Like that's a soft life business. Like and earning, learning and earning. Why you got to put in implementing? You're implementing too. But that's a dream, and that's what I love. Here's the truth. Passive income looks like setting up a system that frees up your time. So it looks like uploading a product once and watch it selling on autopilot. It also looks like scheduling emails that work while you rest. And it looks like saying no to burnout and saying yes to peace. It may take a weekend, but the weekend can change your whole entire life. So, sis, if you're ready to stop chasing and start building with wisdom, let me invite you to check out Digital Profits U. It's more than just a course, okay? It's not just a course. It's a full business. It's a community. It's a chance to build soft income with smart systems. The myth is actually hustle, okay? The truth is strategy. So I want you to tap the link below and let's build your soft life business together. You love my content, you love my vibe, you like, you know what? I really want to get into building this soft life business. I really need to know. Definitely go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. So when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now I have some amazing more content coming down the pipes about soft life business. We're in this together. We're going to make this passive income, but we are going to fire this off with belief. So I'm going to have some videos around belief too, because I believe that is the fire that you need to live the life that you want, okay? To make all of the money that you want. We are living in such a great time, and I want you to tap in, especially if you're like me, you're 40 plus. We don't have a lot of time. Okay. Not only that, we want to live our best lives, even going into our 50s, where we're just flowing. That's me. I don't know about you. When I start in my 50s, I'm 42 now. I'll be 43 this year. So when I'm ready to reach into my 50s, I want to be flowing. I don't even want to be on the internet. Okay. But I want my money to still making money. Okay. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye.